In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a mod menu for Ghost of Tsushima. Check my video description for this download link. Right click and select vendor and select extract to. Let's extract and open the extracted folder and double click on this exe and select yes option. You need to start the game, and now as you can see the menu opens up. Launch the game. If you want to close this menu, press F5 in the keyboard to open and close this menu. And to test this, I'm gonna check a option, super jump and speed hack. Once you're done, press the F5 to minimize this. Get back to the game. As you can see, speed hack working and jump, high jump. Trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.